So a little different looking problem here. This one I've got all three sides and it wants me to figure out what the area is. So now I don't know if it's a right triangle or not. I guess I could figure that out. But basically what I need to know is any angle in the triangle because any angle in the triangle will give me two sides and then the angle in between. So that's a law of cosines problem no matter which angle I find. Let's say I find that one. I don't know why I picked that one, but let's say I find it. That's going to make those two the c in my formula for this c squared equals a squared. Whoops, that's the wrong formula. That's to find a side, which is going to give me this formula. Cosine of c equals a squared plus b squared minus c squared over 2ab. All right, so I plug everything in. Cosine of c equals, remember the c is across from the angle I'm trying to figure out, so that c is going to be 12, the little lowercase c. So it's going to be 7 squared plus 14 squared minus 12 squared over 2 times 7 times 14. So then cosine of c is going to be the decimal that I get from that. 7 squared plus 14 squared. 7 squared plus 14 squared minus 12 squared over 2 times 7 times 14. 101 over 96. It'll give you a decimal usually, but if it gives you a fraction, that's no big deal. 196, because when you get to this point, you have to second cosine just like you would second sine or second tangent, whatever, anything if you have the cosine value. So then I'm going to second cosine that angle right there. And I don't know what's going on there. Let me see what I did wrong. Oh, I did times 9 on accident. So 58.982. Okay. That's my angle. So then my area would be side, angle, side. So it's going to be 1/2 times 7 times 14 times the sine of that angle. So that's going to go into the calculator. So 0.5 times 7 times 14, not 0.2. Let's make sure we get a 0.5 there. 0.5 times 7 times 14 times sine of that angle. And again, if you round that to 58.98, you'll be fine. 41.993. So 41.993. I don't think it said around anything in particular. It didn't. So 41.99.